In this video, I will show you some data analysis method that you commonly use across this full lab when you try to analyze your record data. So there are some useful YouTube video links on Learn page. You're welcome to check it out. In each lab handout, there are some detail like calculations methodology that you're going to use, or functions that you're going to use. And but in this video, I will show you some functions that you might going to use in general, and it shows you a great tool that here in the Logger Pro. If you have any questions or you can't really find the functions, the calculation that you're going to use, you can always go to Logger Pro help and then type in your keywords. For example, if I want to use the peak integration, I can type peak integration here and select, and then it will shows you how to select peak, and then what is the peak integration is about, and what it does, and how to use, and etc. So this is a really great tool here to help you. I'm going to take this workplace working as an example, and to show you the calculations, the basic playing in the Logger Pro. And I'm just adjust the window so you can. So basically, those windows are arrangeable, so you can change to whenever you like. So basically, in Logger Pro, whenever you try to calculate some stuff, you're always going to start with add a new calculate column. So you goes to analyze, data. So you goes to data, a new calculate column, and then you give it a name. For example, in here I want to normalize my force. So in this case, I will give a name, say normalized ground reaction force, and short name will be normalized ground reaction force, and unit I would say is Newton, and then the distinction is the last, and the expression is you have the formula or the variable inside of what kind of calculation you want to carry out. So in this case, I want to normalize it, so it's like you're going to take the raw data and normalized by one value, and in this case it's normalized by a body weight. So the expression will be like ground reaction force divided by body weight. Right? So you're going to find the variable and the value and a divide. So what you're going to do here is you go to the variable So you're going to take the force and then divide by your normalized body weight. Say for example here my body weight is 700 newtons, and click done. You will see a new column, and then the normalized will be calculated like that, and then you can plot. The reason why you see this is purely flat is the range is too high, so you're going to select graph options, axis options, auto scale from 0, because we normalize it, the minimum must be 0. Click done. Now we see the force has been normalized from 1 to 0. Some values over 1, and you see the unit here is wrong. It doesn't really be newtons. The normalized should not have zeros. So what I can do here is I click options and delete the unit, and click done. Then there will now unit be there. So that's how you're going to editing the exist column. Got it?